limit extends to 3, summation over r is equal to 1 to n x to the power r minus summation over r is equal to 1 to n 3 to the power r upon x minus 3. So which can also be written limit extends to 3, summation over r is equal to 1 to n x power r minus 3 power r divided by x minus 3, and this can also be taken as limit extends to 3, summation over r is equal to 1 to n x power r minus 3 power r divided by x minus 3. Since the denominator x minus 3 is independent of r, we can consider inside, and the limit of the sum we can separately do it, that is summation over r is equal to 1 to n. So limit extends to 3, x to the power r minus 3 to the power r divided by x minus 3. So we can write it as summation over r is equal to 1 to n. Since we know that limit extends to a, x power n minus a to the power of n divided by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power of n minus 1. So by using this formula we can write here limit extends to 3, x power r minus 3 power r divided by x minus 3 is r into 3 to the power of r minus 1. So that is by expanding from r is equal to 1 to n, we can write it as 1 into 3 to the power of 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 3 into 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 plus and so on n into n to the power of n minus 1. Sorry, n into 3 to the power of n minus 1. So that is 1 into 3 power 0, that is 1 plus 2 into 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3 into 3 to the power of 2 plus and so on. So if we can write the before term as n minus 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 2 plus n into 3 to the power of n minus 1. So let us consider this as a sum Sn, and since we can observe very clearly that it is in the arithmetic or geometric progression, so instead of using the formula, let us solve it by multiplying with common ratio r, because it is in the form of a plus ar plus ar square and so on a into r to the power of n minus 1, which is arithmetico geometric progression. Generally we'll take the formula for sum to n terms, but instead of that let us use by concept. So here r is nothing but 3, so let us multiply 3 for the Sn. So 3 times Sn is equal to, so we can write it as 1 into 3 3, or we can write 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus 3 into 3 cube and so on, n minus 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 2 into 3, which comes as n minus 1 plus n into 3 to the power of n minus 1 into 3 will come n 3 to the power n. Let us write the two sum Sn and 3 times Sn. So we can write Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 3 square plus and so on n minus 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 2 plus n into 3 to the power of n minus 1, and 3 times Sn I can write here 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 square plus and so on n minus 1 into, so let me write here and so on n minus 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 1 and again plus n into 3 to the power of n. So by subtracting these both equations, so here 1 times Sn minus 3 times, that is negative 2 times of Sn is equal to here 1, and here 2 times 3 minus 1 times 3, that is 2 minus 1 of 3, and here 3 minus 2 of 3 square, and so on and so on. We can write n minus of n minus 1 times 3 times of n minus 1, and again plus of minus here negative. So we can write here negative n into 3 to the power of n. So which comes as negative 2 times Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 3 plus 3 minus 2 is 3, again 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 into 3, 3, and again 3 minus 2, 1 into 3 square, 3 square, and so on. N minus of n minus 1 is 3 to the power of n minus 1 minus n into 3 to the power of n. So clearly we can see that the first n terms, like 1 plus 3 plus 3 square and so on to 3 power n minus 1, these are n terms in GP, geometric progression, whose first term is a is equal to 1 and common ratio is 3. So it's a sum to n terms. We can write it as sum to n terms is a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So let us use this formula here. So we can write 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 minus n into 3 to the power of n. So which implies Sn is equal to minus 1 by 2 times of 3 power n minus 1, here denominator is 2, so minus 2 times n into 3 to the power of n divided by 2 we can write, and finally we can give the answer here. Here 2n and minus 1, we can write 2n minus 1 times of 3 to the power of n minus of minus plus 1 divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So we can go with an option. So we can go with an option B. Option B is the answer. Okay.